All right, so here we have another problem. We are trying to find the derivative of y with respect to x, so treating x as the variable. At x is equal to 1 of this. But, well, when we look at this, we see, oh, we have t here and not x. But, of course, t is defined for us as t is equal to x cubed. So what I'm first going to do, since I look at this derivative operator and I can see, okay, I need the variable to be x. So that means that I want x to be in this equation. So I will rewrite it. So we know that t is equal to x cubed. So we can actually replace these t squares. So this is the same as saying y equals, so t squared, so t is equal to x cubed. So that means t squared is equal to x to the power of 6. So we have y is equal to x to the power of 6. Right? And we have this plus 2 here, and then in the bottom we do the same thing, x to the power of 6 minus 2, right? And now we just find the derivative the same way as we would. So actually here I am going to use the quotient rule, which, remember the quotient rule, this is a plus sign. The quotient rule is that the derivative of f over g is equal to f prime g minus f g prime over g squared, right? So I'm just going to do exactly that. And what we're going to have is, so let's see, what is f prime first? So the derivative of the top, 6x to the power of 5, and then g is just x to the power of 6 minus 2 minus f. G prime is also 6x to the power of 5. Great. Like this, right? Then we have to divide by g squared. Okay, and now we could transform this, but what we actually need to do is we need to look back here, and it says x is equal to 1. So we are actually finding this derivative at exactly 1 point, where x is equal to 1. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and substitute x is equal to 1 here. So 6x to the power of 5. Well, this is just gonna be 6, right? 6 times 1, so 6. And then here we have 1 minus 2 is equal to negative 1. And then minus, here we have 1 to the power of 6 plus 2, that is 3. Right? And then here again we have 6. And then I need to divide. So here on the bottom we have 1 minus 2, that's negative 1, squared. So negative 1 squared is 1, right? And now I am just going to simplify this. So I have negative 6 here minus, what is 6 times 3? 18. And this is equal to 24. Negative 24. And that's my final answer.